channel, back with another video. Today is a quick hair review because I'm running late and I need to be out the house. My appointment was 3:30 and it's 3:40, so gotta go. Showed you guys how I did my bangs in this video real quick. You know, checks gotta clear, kind of pick the type of content today. Just throw that back there. See how I like that? No shade. I don't know. I wanted bangs today. I was in the mood for bangs, so I took it upon myself to make my own bangs. And this is where we ended up. I may have another look in here. I don't know. It depends on who my Gemini self is, but stay tuned if you want to find out. Alright, y'all. Guess what? I'm supposed to leave my house in 2 minutes, but I'm gonna make it 10 instead. So I think the quickest way to go right now is to leave the unit straight because it's perfectly straight to me. And it's a closure, so it's gonna be quick. We already got the recipe. I'll put these behind the ear, move these a little forward. I think I'm gonna give myself some quick bangs because I think that's the quickest actual hairstyle I can do. The hair mad soft and mad full for a closure unit. I ain't gonna front. I'm filling it up while I'm combing it. Like whose hair is this? I didn't watch Cowboy. Have y'all watched Concrete Cowboy? I just finished watching that, and y'all know how I get when I start watching a show. I start acting like my whole life revolves around it. But I want to just leave it. Should I put layers in it? I'm asking like you can answer me. But I do know what to start off with doing. Get my foundation powder real quick. Throw it in the part. And then I'm gonna tap it down. I'm supposed to be going to the Cause exhibit right now at the Brooklyn Museum. This hair is really full, like really full and longer than I expected. But who's getting mad at that? Not me. So because we're already in a rush, the handy dandy got to be spray. It's just one of them days. I was telling y'all how I wasn't gonna make no content this week because I'm on my period, but staying still was worse than moving, so. Do my part, go back in real quick. Cut this little lace off. I really don't be rushing when I put closure wigs on, but today it's like, I feel like I'm doing drag race. Okay, technically I could be done with my hair right now and just do a middle part, but why simplify my life? Let's complicate it. All in favor for complicating my life, say aye. Alright, so I'm going to take my bang part. Ooh. Yes. I can cut it a little more. I ain't gonna front. It's time to get funky. You want to start experimenting low, like what I did the first go round. Okay, so I think this is what I'm going to go with right now. Because if I finagle with her anymore, I'm going to have chop shop bangs, and I have no business to have that right now. I do like that. I do like that. Okay, so there's things I can do. Hold on. Because it's long enough for me to put a bandana on it. Girl, it's too late to be doing all this. All right, so far, this is my final look, and I say so far because I'm known to switch up a look again. Okay, so this quick ass style is brought to you by Kriyya hair. I'm probably gonna come back and finesse it, something else in it, but just for the purpose of me running late,